I'm Yona.
I'm Crompton.
And this is our yoga challenge. In this part of the season, it's kind of almost slightly back to like a pre-season vibe. We're like putting in the hard work in the gym and probably doing a little bit less in the pool because my next competition isn't until the end of January. So I've got like 3 months until my next comp. So that's kind of what I'm working towards right now. After that, that's when Commonwealth preparation begins. So after Nationals in January, I'll probably be going on a couple more training camps, hopefully again to Miami and hopefully again to Australia. See, it's exactly this dull type of weather which made me want to stay in Australia and not come back home. I've just seen my boy Niles and Tom's video of their yoga challenge.
We are about to do a yoga challenge for you guys.
So we're basically going to use their yoga moves and see if we can do it ourselves, but the difference is we are much less flexible.
And our
a bit of a height difference, yeah.
And the weight distribution isn't quite there either.
Yeah, it's probably not going to be great, but we'll see. Oh, Daley, is that it? One down, good work. Go.
Oh.
Oh my god. Okay, I think that. Okay, there you go. Extend your legs up, legs up. Yes, that's it. That's it. Let go. Let go. Come on. Come on. Right, it's your right foot on the right foot, and your left leg in the air. Yeah, maybe do that. Okay, then. Yeah! Yeah, okay. You go left foot, I'll go right foot. What? We've got to like find our feet. You're a bit of a man. You have to go closer, Ollie. A bit closer, yeah. Put your right foot down. Left foot, left foot.
Yes.
Okay, now we're going to try to extend.
I'm going.
You good? Yeah, there you are. How do you doing?
Aston, you gonna like put our feet together?
Okay, now we're trying to extend. Don't come in.
Oh my god!
Alright, you're gonna take it from.
Alright, I think this is it.
What? Come on. Yeah. Just finished my training session, but this is kind of a sad day because this is Edwin's last session in Leeds before he goes away to coach in Holland. Yeah, kind of a sad day, but not the end. We've still got a bit more to go. We've still got a bit more to go, for sure. The reason why it's so sad that Edwin's leaving now is because he was basically the person that got me into diving in the first place. If you don't know much about me, how I got into diving was through talent identification testing. The City Leeds Diving Club, which is my club now, they were going to schools all around
the city, testing a load of kids on gymnastic-based ability. I did gymnastics beforehand, so I was really good at all the tests, but Edwin was one of the coaches there from Leeds Diving Club. He saw me, he selected me as one of the, I don't actually know how many, but he selected me to join the City of Leeds Diving Club Talent Identification Programme. That's kind of where my love of diving started. From there, I actually went and dived with various different other coaches. I can't remember what year it was, but since probably about 7 years ago, I've been diving with Edwin like full time. He was the one that suggested to me to represent the country of one of my parents' births rather than Great Britain, so I chose Jamaica. He was the one that set out my plan from 2012 to 2016. He was the one that showed me so much faith and inspired me to actually work hard and make the Olympic Games. Without his support, I wouldn't be wearing these rings today. I wouldn't have the tattoo on my arm. I wouldn't probably still be diving now. I'd probably have quit diving if I was still trying to represent Great Britain, probably not getting anywhere. I probably would have quit diving by now. So the reason I'm where I am now and I'm in a position where I can actually try and help others be better in diving, whether it's through coaching or through this, he is the reason why I'm here. He's the reason why I have so much knowledge about diving. He is the reason I'm actually kind of the person I am in general now. That's why it's actually very sad that he's leaving, but even so, he will still be my coach forever, and that's just the way it's going to be. Funnily enough, hopefully we'll be able to connect more in the future in terms of competition. He might actually be able to help me on my journey through to Tokyo, even though he's not actually going to be with me in Leeds. It's the end of an era, but the journey is definitely going to be continuing. Okay, I'm going to try and turn. Okay, perfect. Right, now, how's the arm go? How's the arm go?
Like a squid.
How's the arm? Which way? Like that?
Yeah! Woo!
Roll over. Like, you have to come down here. Yeah, you're gonna need a big jump. So you gotta jump higher.
Oh my god!
I believe I can fly.
Oh my god! That was sick!
Okay. Okay, now we let your foot go up. No. I feel violated. Okay, let go. Okay.
Ready, 3, 2, 1, please!
Got it?
Yep.
You know, try the knee, try.
Oh!
Wait, I can get it more, There we go. Yes. That's it, isn't it? We've nailed that. That's alright, isn't it? Hey, look at this. Look! Someone look!
On his face!
Yeah. Okay. Good? Yeah. Right, now you got to try and put your weight into my feet. Okay. Get out of balance, alright? Yeah, you go. Yeah.
He's done,
Go.
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Okay, good. Right, just go straight up. Like invert still. Yeah. Okay, now hold it.
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh!
I think we're going to give that one a miss. Now you got to try it.
Instead of I'm holding hands now.
Oh my god, God. Then you have to more. Yeah, and I got to try my game back. And then done.
Oh!